This is the bird feeder with the blue jays, which we got a lot of this year, out my window, I, where I have my camera set up on a tripod. And we got a lot of blue jays this year. They eat the whatever thing seeds that they like, and then throw the others down on the ground. There are grackles all over the ground, which you can't see, of course, that are eating the seeds that the blue jays throw down. Blue jays are quite aggressive birds and scare most of the other birds uh, away from the bird feeder while they're feeding. Although occasionally a cardinal will try to sneak in. I think they're kind of scared. They're smaller, of course, than the blue jays, so they're kind of afraid of them. There's the cardinal now. He says a few prayers for the blue jays, and then gets scared off. There's a blue jay. He says his blessing and goes. I mean, the cardinal says his blessing and goes.